fracaso. Parts of me wish I really had a parts cleaner for this because I'm scrubbing it, but so far it's coming out pretty good with a little bit of purple power, a sponge, some other miscellaneous stuff. Piece of paper in my engine, nice. We'd love to see that. But so far I got this side pretty cleaned up and I got the face pretty cleaned up. Looks a hell of a lot better. Well, the main reason why I'm kind of also cleaning all these parts up is for when I put it all back together, it'd be easy for me to see the leaks. Because in reality, I didn't know where this car was leaking from. It's kind of why I decided to pull the whole engine and replace every gasket on it. I mean, it was due anyways, but I could never find out where the leak was coming from because this whole thing was just caked in grease and dirt and grime and all that fun stuff. So problem is that I'm currently battling is how am I gonna get on the inside of this? You can see night and day difference. What side's clean, what's not. So it's just getting in those nooks and crannies, which getting in those nooks and crannies is why I wish I had a parts cleaner. But we're making do what we got. You know, I don't got a shop. Hopefully one day I will, but it's yeah, it's a little bit of a process to get this all squared away. So while I'm taking everything all apart, I got the sensor which over here, the Vanos oil feed line, because tomorrow I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna go buy, I guess, part clean solution, and because I cannot get into all these nooks and crannies throughout this whole oil tree or oil filter housing, and I'm gonna put the front cover plate too in that solution. Get like a bucket or something, which you will see tomorrow. This whole project, as you can see, I don't think I ever mentioned, but I got the head off. I got a little head of myself, pun intended, and I decided to pull the head off and everything. All the cams are out and all that stuff, because I plan to take this head to go down and get resurfaced and everything. And then have it all cleaned out, so that way we're looking brandy new in there, and hopefully my engine guy can put new valves in there for me. And then yeah, so it's just turning into one big like, oh well the head's off, let me do the valves, let me upgrade the valves. So everything's turning into a, oh while this is out, let me do this. Well, I have the bottom end part, let me see if I should do rod bearings or crankshaft bearings, all that stuff. I literally just pulled the engine, and here I am, finding out, oh, well, I'm here, let me do this, let me do that. I couldn't imagine if you're doing like an engine swap. I mean, I've seen it online, it looks easy online, but this is just an OEM, like, refresh, and it's a lot. Yeah, so probably see you guys tomorrow. Well, it's gonna be a second, and 3, 2, 1. All right, so day 2. Here we are, back to cleaning parts and everything. I just went to AutoZone, picked up some just regular brake cleaner, some gunk off spray. I know I was gonna try to buy some type of like gallon of cleaner so I could soak all like the oil filter housing and the front timing cover, so that way all like the nooks and crannies get off. But AutoZone didn't sell that. I thought they did. So I got some, see if gunk off works. I got some regular brake cleaner. I also picked up some shop towels, just so I'm using paper towels. These are a little more better when it comes to everything. So yeah, we're gonna go back to cleaning. So enjoy. So now I have the front timing cover and the oil filter housing all cleaned up to the best of my ability, just with some brake cleaner and some engine degreaser. You know, this is way cleaner if you see the before. So in all reality, these are technically go back on the car. However, I gotta get the head done first, and then I got to do all this work. But yeah, I have a lot of crap on the bench that I should probably clean up. So right now, we're gonna clean it up. So that way I have a better space to work. Maybe I can reorganize and everything. So, in 3, 2, 1. All right, so the bench is all cleaned up. I just moved the head over there, put some other parts underneath the table. So for right now, since we're in the spirit of cleaning, we're gonna clean the AC bracket. As you can see, all covered in oil. And we're gonna clean the driver's side motor mount. We're gonna clean these things up so I can get them off the bench, put them somewhere. I'm not gonna bore you guys anymore with some cleaning, scrubbing. It's pretty standard. I already told you guys what I'm doing. So it's Mewtwo magic. We're just gonna clean this up. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. All nice and fresh and clean. Obviously some of the nooks and crannies are still a little dirty, but man, this thing looks a lot better than it did. As you can see, we got that fresh aluminum here. Definitely for the next parts, or for the next BMW I built. I'm investing in a parts washer. Doing this stuff by hand it's not fun. But also clean up the passenger side one. Passenger side wasn't that dirty because this is kind of brand new because I had the old one snap on me. So this one's pretty new. So not that it wasn't that bad. Here's the AC bracket. Again, not the best. Better than it was because can't really get into the deeper nooks and crannies of it because if you see, I mean, there's not much light, but you can catch some of it in the tight corners and everything like that. They're still pretty dirty, but that's pretty much cleaning. As you can see, you know, main thing is that this gunk engine degreaser worked pretty well, and then I just use like a brass metal brush to clean it all up, and some brake cleaner. But for right now, that's pretty much gonna end first part of the engine teardown, and then we have the bottom end, which all I'm really waiting on that for the bottom end is to get the upgraded oil pump because BMW is notorious for that oil pump bolt for spinning off. So I plan to run this thing to the moon, so I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I'm getting an upgraded one. Bottom end's next. For the bottom end, you know, the oil pump, and then I'm gonna start taking care of investigating, you know, rod bearings. Rod bearings and crankshaft bearings. See if they need replaced. You know, the vicious cycle of take stuff apart. Oh, while I'm in here, I might as well fix this. While I'm in here, I might as well fix that. You know, that all fun stuff and everything. So, yeah, so far, once I get the bottom end together and then the head gets cleaned up and everything, there's really not much left to do for engine-wise. Slap everything back together, engine will be all dressed up, clean up the transmission, and then, yeah, then we start putting it into the E46. But yeah, thank you guys for joining on this episode of Doing the Garage. I'll see you guys all next time. Peace.